Are you ready to jump into the world of e-commerce in 2025? The excitement is palpable. The online shopping landscape is evolving, and opportunities await eager entrepreneurs like you. However, diving into this venture requires a well-structured roadmap to guide your journey. From selecting the right products to executing effective marketing strategies, preparation is key. Navigating the essential steps to launch your e-commerce store successfully can transform your dreams into reality. Understanding your customers' needs is the first step towards building a thriving business. Next, let's explore the crucial e-commerce business models you should consider for 2025. The most common model is B2C, where you sell directly to consumers. B2C gives you control over your brand and deepens customer relationships, essential in today's market. Due to rising consumer demands, B2C businesses can build genuine connections with their audience. The B2B model caters to other businesses, offering the chance for larger orders and bigger profits. In 2025, B2B opportunities are ripe for those who can offer wholesale solutions to industries in need. The direct-to-consumer, D2C, model cuts out the middleman, allowing brands to engage directly with customers. Utilizing D2C can significantly enhance your profit margins while fostering brand loyalty among consumers. Subscription models have gained momentum, ensuring a steady cash flow and repeat business from loyal customers. Choosing the perfect e-commerce platform is one of the most vital decisions you'll face. Your platform choice influences everything from store management to business scalability. User-friendly platforms like Shopify and BigCommerce are popular choices for new entrepreneurs. WooCommerce is another great option, particularly for those already familiar with WordPress. If you seek customization, Magento offers the control needed for unique design and functionality. When evaluating platforms, prioritize ease of use, scalability, and integration capabilities with tools like Spocket. Sourcing quality products is crucial for your e-commerce success, and Spocket is a fantastic partner for this. Fast shipping from reliable US and EU suppliers is a game changer in today's consumer-driven market. Spocket simplifies product sourcing, allowing you to select from a curated catalog of high-quality goods. With automated inventory management, you can focus on growing your business rather than juggling logistics. Your e-commerce website must engage visitors and convert them into loyal customers. Optimize for mobile first, ensuring a seamless experience for the growing number of mobile shoppers. A well-organized website with intuitive navigation encourages customers to explore and shop with ease. Visually appealing product images paired with compelling descriptions can drastically boost conversions. An efficient checkout process is crucial. Simplify it to minimize cart abandonment and improve sales. Building trust through positive customer reviews can elevate your brand's credibility and attract new buyers. Your e-commerce store is more than just a shop. It's a space to forge lasting connections with customers.